Hi guys, I'm Mimi. I'm a hairstylist in the industry. You might have seen me on a few of the IPSY tutorials doing curls, braids, ponytails, updos. Hashtag Black Girl Magic is actually on all of my pictures because no matter what, I am a magical being, not just because of my skin tone, but it's just like I am black, I am powerful, I am magical, and I can do whatever I want, and I represent Black Girl Magic. I celebrate myself because I've come a long way. For many years, I struggled with liking myself because of how much I weigh or how different my hair is. I really did struggle with these things growing up as a kid because of what we saw on TV or things like that. And I'm proud of myself because I can stand here in front of all of you and tell you how beautiful I am and I feel I am in my skin and comfortable with who I am today. And that's why I'm proud of myself. And I think I'm gonna cry because I'm beautiful. I have done the big chop and I have went natural, but I'm not ready for the world to see it. But I'm so proud of the movement because, I mean, we're just standing up to like the standards of beauty, and we're showing you like this is our beauty right now, and this is what, you know, we've got to show you. And it's like, it's bringing back our roots. Like, this is who we are, and I'm tremendously proud of all the women who are wearing natural hair, braids, cornrows, dreadlocks, like anything. Like, it's just a beautiful movement, and I'm so happy that I get to watch it and be a part of it. No matter what, don't let anyone tell you you're ugly. Don't let anyone tell you you're too big, you're too dark, your hair is too nappy. And that's not even a thing because all hair is beautiful. You know, like, you just keep following your dream no matter what the stereotypes tell you, no matter what you see on TV. You just be who you are and go for your dreams.